Well, here's the latest report on the AVELING Barford GRV. As you can see, all the covers are back on now. Put the final engine cover on yesterday and checked alignment. Everything's fine. So she is actually weather tight now. She's got all the windows are fitted, all the panels are fitted. So the next stage now is to wait for the weather to improve. It's raining today, and sort of do any final touching in jobs on the panel work. Basically it's paint prep now. The major part of it's done. Electrics, engine, all the mechanicals, all the brakes, windows, doors. So she's just waiting for the final coat of paint now. So she obviously she's going to be painted with the metallic colour that was original. Machine was actually built with Brunswick green and then resprayed for Johansson's this Chrysler bluey green, so that's just going to go back to. So the journey's coming to an end now. It's just been a hard slog, this machine. A lot of work put into it. So what we need now is some decent weather and to do the final light rubbing down. It's not much, I don't think there's any filling to do now. She's actually looking good. So she's very similar condition to what she was in the factory when she was built. So the bonnets was rubbed down day before yesterday. That's come up quite well. Very little rust on it, just surface rust. So it's a matter of using very fine grit, wet and dry, to do the final rub down, and then hopefully we get decent weather to do the spraying. But I got a backup plan of taking the removable panels to a paint shop and painting them there. So I would have liked to have been at this stage about a month ago, but unfortunately work commitments, family commitments, time and poor weather last month it's delayed the project by about 4 weeks actually. I was hoping to get it sprayed up by now, but might as well do the job properly and get it do all the prep properly. So there she is. She's looking good. So that is the final colour. A nice shiny metallic. She's going to look gleaming, and the decals for the AVELING pressure system that was fitted there due to be dropped off to the house at the end of the week. So everything's come together. I've got the brand new license plates, registration plates ready to fit. The seat has been stripped down. The frame's going to be painted gloss black. The back seat rest is in good condition, but the seat itself is going to need a recover, so that'll be done at the local upholsterer. So there we are. She's getting there now, and she'll be like a new machine when she's done. So till next time.